You know, you just throw on some cat ears and you're ready for Halloween. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in the title, I am going to do my October IPSY in this video. I know it is the last day of October. I just made it. I got this bag maybe 2-3 weeks ago and I haven't had a chance to go through it. That is always what happens to me when I get my IPSY, which is kind of crazy because you just get busy. I just got really busy, and busy is a good thing, so I'm not complaining, but I kind of wish I got this video out to you guys earlier, especially with Halloween this month. I wanted to do a Halloween look earlier so that if anybody wanted to try it, they can. But either way, I figured last day of October, happy Halloween. I'm gonna do my IPSY bag and I've still made it, you know? So this is the bag for October. It's really pretty as always. It's perfect for October. It has that little mask from Masquerade, and I like the design. I like the fact that it is all one color and you can see the design kind of peeking through, which is really nice. So they always give you a card, and this one says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" I'm assuming that the products in here are mainly for things that are good for you to use when you are a night owl and you don't get enough sleep. So let's just go ahead and get right into the products. So the first thing I got is this EYEKO London travel size skinny liquid liner, and I love when I get liners in my IPSY bag because those are something that I use all the time. I do leave the house without makeup on, but the one thing that I always feel like I need so I don't look tired is an eyeliner. So it is fitting with the theme that they're going for, and this is a liquid liner. Oh my gosh, it's a felt tip and I love this. I love that. So you can do it thinner and thicker. I mean, thicker and thinner, and it is in the color pitch black, and it is saying that it's smudge proof. So well, it's a little smudge proof. I think you have to let it dry a little bit. It is smudged. It's smudged a little bit, but I can deal with that. I am so sorry for my voice. I feel like I am getting sick. Hopefully not, and it'll just go away. But yeah, so first item, awesome. I love it. I love it. So the next item I have is this Naked Cosmetics color in Rainforest, and let's go ahead and just swatch it. It is a beautiful ooh, green color. I was saying it looks really pretty in the bottle. It's swatched really nicely. So that's like a beautiful color. So I'm totally into that. Talking about eyeshadows, I just did a review on this eyeshadow look that I just did from a new palette that I got. If I don't already have the video up right now, I will have it up soon, and I will leave a link to it right here so you can go ahead and watch that. The next thing I have is this VERB Hydrating Mask for the hair. It is Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask, and it's basically something you use right after you take a shower. You allow it to just sit in your hair for 5 to 7 minutes, and then you rinse out, and you use this once a week. So I love when I get hair masks, face masks. I just love masks. I just want to see how this smells, because hair stuff always smells so good. Oh yes, it smells. Oh, it smells so nice. So I think I am going to use this after I do this video because I need to wash my hair. It's a frizzy mess, that's why I have it in a ponytail, but love that too. So far so good, IPSY. The next thing I have is this Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in medium. I don't know about this color. It's not too bad. Would I use it as my concealer? Actually, I might. I do love Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm really happy that I got a Tarte Shape Tape. If you see my other videos, you know that I use their Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. Now obviously this is a darker color, and I have actually thought about getting a lighter color. I will try this medium. So this is my Tan Sand. That's the color that I normally use, and this is Shape Tape in medium. I know from experience that my Tarte Shape Tape gives me really good coverage, so I do like it. So I don't know, maybe I'll try this and it'll give me more of like a highlighted look. So yeah, see, when I blend it, you can't really tell too much of a difference. But yeah, this is obviously lighter. It is in the color medium, so I will give it a try. I'm actually glad that they didn't give me like a dark or anything, because I do like a lighter color for my under eye, just to highlight the area a little bit. So I will definitely try this. And last but not least, ooh, a brush. I love when I get brushes. especially because I do so many eye looks in my video, or just makeup tutorials in general. I'm always looking to grow my brush collection, so I love when I get brushes. And this one is from the brand INMO Cosmetics. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong, but I think the heart right there, I don't know if you can see that. There's like a heart where the O would be. I'm assuming that's for the O because it says INMO Cosmetics. The brush is beautiful. I mean, I love the design. It's just gorgeous. It doesn't say what type of brush it is. It's just an eyeshadow brush, but I can use it for many things. I can even use it to pat on some color onto my lids, or even just use it to contour my nose. So I do like this, and I love the handle of it. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. So I am again happy with everything I got with IPSY. But yeah, I'm super excited for this because I love eyeliners, and I could have used this for this look if I had opened it up earlier, but better late than never. Can't wait to try this. I'm probably gonna go and try it right now. My Tarte Shape Tape, I'm definitely gonna use this for one of the videos and see how I look, and see if it kind of makes me look ghostly or if it's gonna actually go well with my skin. What else did I get? Oh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, duh. And the green shadow right here is really pretty, so I do like that as well. Leave a comment below letting me know which one of these items you would be excited to receive. I am so happy about this brush. I do like everything. Eyeliner, the brush, I don't know, I just can't seem to pick, but this is so pretty, and I just go towards pretty things, you know? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and have a happy and safe Halloween. Bye! This is my Halloween look.